Hi friends, showing you our rapid holding system's very own EDM tooling, which is of Irova version. So this type of chucks that I'm having here are Irova version and is of system size 100. Having this type of chuck in two versions here, like the one without base plate and one with base plate. So it works is like this one is good to mount directly on your EDM, wire EDM and CNC centers directly. And we are having like the 4 bore holes already into the chuck, so you can use mount directly into the EDM center. So version of operation for both the chucks are same and is manual. How you do is like it delivers with the lever and use this lever to rotate on one side to lock and unlock the workpieces onto it. We are having different type of holders, like we are like you can use the U-slotted holders, pocket holders, flat holders, collet chuck holders, so any type of holders, and they are good to be used with the auto spigots or the manual spigots, any type of spigot. So you have the spigot tightened to your holder, and this holder goes onto the clamping chuck, and to lock the holders into the chuck you use the lever and rotate the lever to another side. So using this lever, this is how you lock the holders into the chuck, and that's it. Easy and quick way to lock the workpieces into the chuck, and we are good to go. For these type of chucks, like we are having different versions available in the rapid holding system, which is like this one is without plate, this one is standard plates. We are having one another for the CNC plates. We make these type of chucks with the 90-degree old version as well. So we are having 90-degree adapter so that you can use these chucks into the 90-degree angle for your special applications. Another custom solution that rapid holding system provide is integrate these type of chucks into the multi-chuck plate system. So you are having like a multiple clamping solutions onto one station. So we mount 3 chucks into a plate, 4, 6, 8, 9 chucks in one. So that is 9 into 1 chuck solution into one plate. It's like replacing a robot that is saving $1 million from your budget, and you are getting high precision and very cost-effective solutions in fraction of cost. If you have any questions, reach out to us today. We'll be glad to help you. If you like this video, share with your machining friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel and all the social media channel to stay tuned with us. Have a good day.